Witch hazel is a very popular remedy for oily skin. It possesses powerful anti-inflammatory and astringent capabilities to manage your oily skin. Witch hazel is also mild on your skin. Let us first understand why some skins are oily. Oily skin represents overactive sebaceous glands to produce more sebum on the surface of the skin. Sebum is fatty oil that helps to moisturize and protect your skin and hair. You need it in the right quantities for your skin to look and feel good. Now, let us understand why witch hazel is so good for oily skin. Witch hazel contains gallic acid, tannins and many other anti-inflammatory compounds. It also contains many antioxidants that reduces oxidative stress of free radicals. It also reduces irritations on the skin. People particularly with sensitive skin get soothing experiences. Witch hazel acts as astringent to ward off dead skin cells, dirt and impurities. This reduces risks of acne on the oily skin. Topical application also protects against the skin damage. Most oily skins will get acne with the risks of leaving scars. Witch hazel will protect you from that damage. Applying witch hazel on most skin types is safe. Even then, before using extensively on your skin, do a patch test on your arm to see if there is any side effect. Once you clear the test, use it. Don't go in the sun immediately after its use, as some sensitive skins may get irritated. You can easily get witch hazel online, links are in the description. Applying witch hazel on your skin is very simple. Wash your face with warm water and dab it dry with a towel. Dip a cotton ball or pad in witch hazel and brush it on your skin. Apply more on acne. It cleanses and calms the skin. Your face will feel wet, but soon it will dry out. Do it once daily for a few days until your skin gets used to it, then apply twice daily. In addition to applying witch hazel, take the following precautions. Wash your face at least twice daily. It will help you to not clog your pores. It sounds obvious, but most people don't do it. Use blotting papers to absorb the excess sebum produced by your body. You can't prevent the excess production, but you certainly can remove it from your skin. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.